In this video, I'll take you now to index your site on Google Search Console. The first thing you have to do is you have to head over to search.google.com. Once you come over to your browser, just enter Google Search Console. This is the first display you'll be seeing. And this is just to improve your performance on Google search. So if you want your site to show on Google, so you can just go ahead to use Google Search Console. What you have to do is just click on this start now. At this start now, you'll be seeing two ways of adding your site. So you can use domain, you can use URL prefix. So I'm going to be adding this website. This is an NGO website. It was built by me. Just enter your domain name. Then just click on this continue button. So it's checking verification right now. Then we are seeing various ways you can verify. We are seeing the first way, which is verify domain ownership via DNS record. So this is the verification method that is advisable for everyone to use. So using your DNS record, let's say you bought your domain and hosting from the same complaint. So what you just be doing is just go over to your DNS to add TST, then just go to add this code you're giving. But let's say you bought from a different complaint. For example, I bought my hosting from Namecheap, then I bought my domain from let's say Domain King. So what we do is I will create TST record in both the hosting and where I bought the domain. So I'll be taking you through how to do that. So what I'll just do is I'll copy this Google site verification. This is my identity for the website. So I'll just go over to my domain account. So I bought the domain here. I'll just come over to click on this DNS record. I'll click on this edit. Then I need to select the type. The type needs to be TST record. So yeah, I'll just paste in the verification code I was given. So at this host, I can just copy the domain of my website, then I'll just paste it here. So once I'm done, I'll just click on this add button. So let's just scroll down. You see that it has been added already. Okay, so once you're done with this, then I just have to go over to where I bought the hosting. So what I need to do is I need to go ahead to log into direct admin. So let's say the hosting platform is using direct admin, just log into direct admin. But if it's using cPanel, so you just have to log into your cPanel. But in my own case, I'm going to log into direct admin here. So at direct admin, I'm going to be seeing this DNS management. So this is where I'm going to be adding the TST file. So I just have to click on DNS management here. So then I'm going to see add record. I'll just click here. So the record type is TST. I'll select TST. Then the name is this, the TTL is this. So I'll just paste in the value. That is the value that Google gave me. I'll click on this add button. So you see record added. I just have to come here and click on this verify. So I'm waiting for this to be completed. So we are saying ownership verification failed. Okay, then they say something like please wait a few hours, then reopen your property in search console. If verification fails again, then just try adding a different DNS test record. So what I just have to do is I need to wait for the verification token to be indexed properly. So it takes about 24 hours for this to be completed. So I'll just be coming back here. Then I'll just come back to click on verify. So let's just wait for few hours. So guys, you see that the site has been indexed already. You see ownership auto verified. So the website has been indexed. I can just click on this, go to property. So once I click that, I'm going to be coming over to this page overview. I'm going to see the performance of this website. Is it processing data? Please check again in a day or so. So let's say you created a new page on the website, then you also index it. So you can just come over to pasting the URL here. So once you search for it, it's retrieving data presently. So you see that the URL is on Google and page is indexed already. So you see it here. And if I want to maybe instead of about, then I want to search for, we have the donate page too on the website. So if I want to index it on Google, so you see URL is not on Google yet. So the reason is because I just did the indexing. So what I can just do is I can just click on this request indexing. So it says testing if live URL can be indexed. But if you wait properly for about 24 hours, all your sites is going to be indexed on Google. So let's say once people are searching for your site on Google, it comes up on Google. So guys, that will be all for this video. So you see indexing requested already. So let's say any of your page is not indexed. So what you just have to do is just come over to the page, then just paste in the URL, then just click on this request indexing. So you see indexing requested. I just need to wait for Google to verify that